Hello and welcome to BISP Solutions. So we will resume our Oracle Fusion financial sessions. We have left the session yesterday on doing the rapid implementation. We were facing some problems in the application. So we have so we were just o- so in the previous session we were saying about the rapid implementation and some errors has been shown up. So let's see whether we will be able to do. So here you can see if we are unable to log into the instances, so the instance has been changed. So we will left this rapid implementation topic and we will just do another topic, because if we will continuously doing this, it will take a lots of time. So we will just go through some topic related to P2P and O2C cycle. Okay, so let's just begin with the P2P and O2C cycle. Okay, let's give a try once more. If this happens, we can move forward. Okay, leave this. So we will just going to do a certain topic, that is P2P and O2C cycle. What is P2P? As we all know, P2P is procure to pay. It means that we have to pay to a supplier. Okay, so what is the P2P cycle? Suppose, let's begins with an example. Suppose an order comes up of about suppose with the order comes up about 200 mobile phones. Okay, about 200 mobile phones. Okay, so we will just first, what we will do first, we will check. So the first step after receiving any order from a, that we can be provide the phones or not. Okay, so this is order come up. Okay, so if, when we see, we first see the we will first ask to the inventory department. Okay, inventory department about the stock. So the inventory department says that we have only 100 mobile phones. Okay, so we have only 100 mobile phones. So it, what happens, it is procure to pay. Okay, so a customer asks about the 200 mobile phones, but first we will check about our stock. So in a stock, we will see in the inventory department whether we whether we are having enough stock to sell out or not. So first we will see here in the inventory department, and what we see in the inventory department, that we have only 100 phones are available. So what does happen then? So it means that the inventory department will ask, okay, the inventory department will ask, it will issue the purchase requisition. It will ask you for the purchase requisition approval. Okay, so inventory department will ask for the purchase requisition approval, that we can say that the PR. Okay, PR approval. So the first we will take the PR approval. Okay, PR approval. Okay, what they will ask to, they will ask to the inventory department. Okay, inventory department will ask to the purchase department whether they will purchase the stock or not. Okay, they will, the inventory department is the is where we check the stock availability. So after this, that the inventory department will issue the purchase requisition approval to whom? To the purchase department. So here remember, purchase department is different and the inventory department is different. We are asking procure to pay. Okay, so the purchase department, so we it will issue the request for approval of purchase. Okay, so what will the purchase department will do? Purchase department will request for quotation. Okay, it what ask? It asks the report for quotations. Okay, it will ask us the for the request. Purchase department will ask the quotation from the payables department. Okay, what it means? It means a request for quotation. Okay, it is asked for request quotation. It means it receive quotations from suppliers, that it analyzes the quotation, that choose the best. What the purchase department will do, it will ask for the request for quotation, and after receiving the quotation, what it will do, receive quotations from receive quotation from various suppliers. Okay, it it will analyze the quotation from what are the availability of the quotation, it will analyze. Okay, then it choose the best. After this, it will choose the best quotation. Okay, it will choose the best quotation. Then what will do, it create purchase order for something, for the 100 mobile phones. Okay, it will purchase order. Okay, and it approves, and then do the GRN, goods receipt note, and purchase return as well. Okay, so this is all the functions that will be done by the purchase department. Okay, so then what happens, then it will just goes to the, this will goes to the, it will goes to the like I would say payable department. It will go to the payables department. Okay, payable department will all do these things. Okay, whether it will issue the purchase invoice or payments, all these are the done by this payables department. Okay, here you can see when the order comes from a customer about the 200 mobile phones, what happens, it will happens you can see the hierarchy. First we will check from the inventory department. What inventory department shows that it has only 100 mobile phones. What does will inventory department do of the deficient mobile phones? It will issue the purchase requisition approval. Okay, where it will issue the PR approval, it will issue the PR approval to the purchase department. Okay, after the purchase department, what will it do, it will ask request for quotation from the suppliers. Okay, it will ask the request for quotation from the suppliers, then it receive quotation from suppliers, various suppliers, where it will see, then it will ask the quotation, it will analysis the quotation, it choose the best quotation, then create the purchase order, and issue the goods receipt note, and whether the purchase is good or not, then it will return the purchase department. After that, the payable department, what the payable department will do, payable department has three options. Okay, three. First payable department will goes to the, we can not arrange it, but we can see it. Okay, the purchase department first will into the assets department. Okay, assets department, what happened here, assets department, as in assets department, what the payable department will do, payable department will do the purchase invoice, the payments as well. So the first assets department, assets department, what it's happened about the FA depreciation. Okay, so this is what the asset department will do. The next step, the another thing, what the then another thing has done to this, to the cash department. Okay, cash department, it will what it is it do. Okay, cash department, so the thing payable department will do is issuing purchase invoice, it will see the purchase invoice. Okay, it will see the payments made. Okay, That's all the things will do by this department. Okay, services, expense, all the items. Okay, it will be done by this purchase department. Okay, then it will the cash department. What the cash department will do? Cash department will manage bank accounts. Okay, it will manage bank accounts. It will do the bank statement reconciliation. Okay, it will reconcile it. So this is all this do. Okay, there is another point about the payables department. What will happen after the payables department? Okay, the payables department will do the common departments. Okay, all the things will end up under the common departments. Okay, what is the common department? Here we can see here where the services expenses. Here it means the financial reports, where we will see the where we'll see the payables state ledger, we will see the cash ledger, we will see the asset department, we'll see the purchase reporting. Here all the things we will see in the uh, common department. Okay, so this is how the procure to pay will comes up here. Okay, so now what happens here? What does this means? It means that whether any order comes up to an enterprise about the 200 mobile phones, the first step we will have to see whether we have enough stock to fulfill the customer's need. If we don't have the customer need, we will from the inventory department will ask for the purchase requisition approval from the purchase department. Okay, whether it will provide or not. So what happens to the purchase department? In the purchase department, it will ask the request of quotation from various suppliers. Then the suppliers gave him the quotations, or and he will choose the, and we move forward. And after what happens, giving the we will issue the purchase order. The payable department, what does payable department will do? Payable department will record the per invoices what we have purchased. The payable department will pay for the PO order. Okay, so after the payable department, the end balance will goes to the cash department first. In the bank account that we have paid, the bank account statement or reconciliation will reconcile. That happens to the asset department, where we can record the fixed assets department and the depreciation. And it of course it all will go to the common department. It will the what is the common department? Common department is the financial reporting. Okay, where we can see the report. So in the Oracle, we will not see the inventory department. What we will see in the Oracle? So in the Oracle Fusion Financial, we will able to see the Oracle Fusion Inventory. Okay, the department will gone here in the Financial Fusion. We will see the Oracle Fusion Inventory. Okay, so of course where we can see, okay, inventory. Okay, so the name of the stock department will change to the Oracle Fusion Inventory. For the purchase department, what we will do? We will go on to the Oracle Fusion Purchasing. Oracle. So the name will change here, but the concept is same. Only the name will change. Oracle Fusion Purchasing. That is the PO, where we can create the purchase order. Okay, again we will go to the cash department. What is the cash department? In the Oracle it will be like Oracle Fusion Cash Management, where all the cash management will be done there. Cash management, etc. Okay, will be done there. And again in the payable department, okay, in the assets department, it will be like Oracle Fusion Fixed Assets. Okay, so the terminology will be changed, but the concept of procure to pay will remain be same. And what happens to the payable department? The payable department will change to Oracle Fusion Accounts Payable. okay, where all the payable entries will be recorded here, okay, where purchase inventories and etc. Okay, so what is the final outcome? Where the common department, all the entries will end up there under Oracle Fusion General Ledger, that we all know about the GL. Okay, if you all know about the GL. Okay, so this is a procure to pay. Okay, so this is our procure to pay, that will be the approval, from the approval to payment has happened. Okay, so there is another cycle that we all know is about the O2C cycle. Okay, there is another concept is O2 cycle, O2C cycle, that means order to cash. What does this mean here? Order to cash, order to cash means that we will asking cash from the customers. Okay, it is basically is also the, it is basically that we are demanding the cash from the customers. Okay, so what does this cycle here means? Okay, so suppose again here we will take the example of 200 mobile phones. Suppose we have having again we are having enough stock. Okay, so the order of 200 mobile phones is asked by the customer. So what is the first thing we will do? We will see the inventory department, and we suppose we are having the stock, we can fulfill the inventory stock. Okay, we can fulfill the customers demand. Okay, so what happened? First we will check out on the inventory department whether we have enough stock available or not. Then what is the next step? The next step we will do, okay, we will do the about the sales department. So what does the sales department will done? Okay, so the sales department will record the sales order. Okay, first it will record the sales order. Okay, then it will book the sales order, what the sales order it recorded by the sales department. Okay, then it will pick release, that means it will release the stock or not. Okay, and all information, it will confirm the shipment after the pickment, and it will take the sales return. So like the purchase department we have seen in there, that we will create the purchase order, like also here it will create the sales order, it will have a sales return as well, and it will ship, it will confirm the shipment of the order to the here. After that what happened? It will goes to the receivable. What entries it will go? It will again goes to the twins. First we will, it will goes to first will goes to the receivable department. Okay, from where we will create the sales invoice or receipt. Okay, or receive the amount. Okay, where we will create the sales invoice, or we can say we will receive the receipt, or we will issue the receipt. Sometimes sales invoice is related to the related, like we are issuing the sale, and on the credit basis. Receipt means we are issuing the sales receipt, and we are receiving the cash at that time. Okay, so on the sales department, what happens to the sales department? Again it will goes to the assets and management company, like the assets or the fixed cash. Again here it will goes to the cash department, where we will record revenue and all the bank account, and we reconcile it as well. Okay, it will also record just like in the payable just like in the P2P cycle. Here also it is recorded. So what is the receivable department end up here, and the it will end up there on the reporting, that is the common department. It will end up on the common department. In the common department it will be the financial reports. Okay, it will be the financial reports where we are here. So it is really easy to understand the O2C cycle, because when the order will come up here, comes up to a sales department about the 200 mobile phones, first we will check on the inventory department. In the inventory department we will see we are having enough or not. Then it will move to the sales department, where the sales department is issue the sales order, or it books sales order, or it release it also and confirm the ship. It also takes the sales return as well. Then after this the entry will be recorded on the sales department, receivable department, where it will issue the sales invoice, where we record the sales invoice, where we record the receipts, and after that it will be recorded on the cash department, here in the bank account and bank reconciliation, and it will end up on the common department. Okay, so the thing is about the shipment here, like suppose, okay, so what does this Oracle what here we can see again. So what does we will see in the Oracle Fusion Financial, this terminology? Of course we will see just like Oracle Fusion Inventory here. Okay, in the sales department we will see Oracle or Fusion Order Management, where if we will order the sales order, where we book sales, or where we will confirm the shipment of a customer. Sometimes the bill to and ship to address is changed, so we have to carefully record the invoice and the address. Okay, then the receivable department, of course it will be called as Oracle Fusion Oracle Fusion accounts receivable, where all the revenue and expenses has been recorded, where we will record the sales invoice, where we will record the sales receipts as well. Okay, so this is it will be known as in the Oracle Fusion Financial the AR. Okay, then in the cash department, of course it will be the Oracle Fusion cash management, where all the management of the cash has been done, whether bank reconciliation or, and this is the Oracle Fusion GL. Okay, so as we have seen, so this is the O2C cycle here, order to cash cycle. We will all do this while we will do the in the application, when the application will work. Okay, so now if we see the P2P and O2C cycle, what are the items we required approval from? First we have to go to the inventory, then it will issue the purchase order, where we will request the, where will we request from the purchase order, where we request quotation, analysis, choose and etc., and where we record the, okay, then after that the purchase invoice has been done. Okay, then we will record the asset and purchase, and it will end up in the GL. Okay, just like when the AP is done, we will goes to the cash management app. Okay, here the account receivable order has been also done. So if you see the this graph, you will be see that the important parts is of the cash management, the GL, where we will record these two topics. Okay, so here if you can see that so this is the two cycle, that is P2P and O2C cycle. So now we have can see that the application is working. So let's try and do the rapid implementation. Okay, we'll close this. Here we goes to the settings and actions. Let's see from here again on the setup and maintenance. We have just put it again on the search option. We will go and we just select the rapid, and we will first we will see the on schedule process whether has been uploaded or not. Okay, here you can see a 5364 that we have successfully uploaded the chart of accounts. So we will go on the test and actions and let's see whether we have uploaded or not. Okay, we will upload the next. Okay, search, we can search it again on the rapid. We'll click it. Again we will go to the define common financials. Here we will upload ledger, legal entities and business units. We have been created in the rapid implementation. We choose a file here. Here we will see financial common entities. We'll open it and we can submit it here. Remember the 438 last. Okay, so let's see. Here it is gone. So before it will be doing this, we will see one thing. While suppose after uploaded the rapid implementation, we added in something, like suppose we are added 500 5000 to another, that is that is admin department. Okay, we want to add, so we can just generate additional hierarchy. Okay, so generate additional hierarchy. For this hierarchy only, it will ask you open up. You can click it yes, and you can see GL hierarchies only, and you upload it from here. Okay, so this is how the additional hierarchy will be done. Okay, and where we will upload it, let me show you where we upload it. When we upload the ledger, legal entities hierarchy, suppose you can see the upload hierarchy. You can click it and you just click on the upload existing after uploading this, and we can upload there. Okay, this is how the hierarchy will be uploaded in the Oracle Fusion. Suppose we will forgot to mention. Okay, so now we will go to the schedule process. Okay, we'll see. We will wait for a few minutes and it will be done. Okay. So this is how this upload. Let's succeed it and see the reports whether it is uploaded or not. Then we will continue from tomorrow and we'll show you that what are the effects we have created and what helpful have been done by doing the rapid implementation. Okay. Suppose you want to see the report whether it has been uploaded or not. We will go and searches enterprise, type the enterprise and press the tab button. You will see enterprise structure report. You will just select it and OK and click on OK. Here you will see the chart of accounts. Here you will search your here you can see, oh sorry, we can search it. So here you can see that PRA is a chart of account. After clicking, you just click on submit and click on OK. Okay, you will see this. Let's see how much time it takes. So the site is working really slow. We just again open the duplicate. Let's log out and log in. Okay. So maybe it takes some time. So I will show you the report, how we will see the report in the next session, and we will be able to see. Okay, here it is running. Okay, let's see. It's running. The status has been changed. Let's wait for a few minutes. Okay. Let's go and refresh it again. Let's see what happens. Okay. Okay, I will show you the report. When this is uploaded, it takes a lot of time, or maybe this application is being slow. So we will see tomorrow this report, and we'll see what effects we have done it. So thank you for joining the session, and we'll see you tomorrow. Okay. So thank you. Let's, so many, it's running, the status is running. Okay. Yeah, here see the status has been succeed. Here when you click this and you want to see the report, here you click double. Okay, and you will be able to see that whether you can see that these segments we have done it. You can see the name, you can see the structure segments, value sets, you can see the value set segments value we have just created. This is all the copy and paste we have done it. And here you can see the intercompany and the project. What you will not be able to see the ledgers, legal entity and business units. Why we are unable to see this? Because the status of that process has not been succeeded, it is still running. We will wait for a few minutes, let's see whether it will be succeeded or not. Okay, if it becomes succeed, then we will be able to see. Okay, so it's been paused. Let's see the tomorrow when we upload this, and we will see tomorrow. So thank you for joining this session, and we will be continue tomorrow. Okay, thank you.